Look at this guy on his Ranger blanket, watching the Ranger game. He's got his arm up on the couch, just chilling. Let me get a high five, dude. Yeah.
Little Max, did you come to share a piece of my midnight cheese? Okay. Wait, not the whole piece. You can have a proportional sized piece. Little Max, stop. This is an appropriate size. Okay, no more. This is my bed cheese. I need it during these times, Little Max. You know it's true.
You want to be a burrito? 1, 2, roly-poly chicken!